Hello and welcome to PH Maths. The number in focus is 3. 3 is the smallest odd prime, the number of sides in a triangle, and the denominator behind one of the cleanest divisibility tests in the syllabus. By the end of this video, you'll have the powers of 3 memorized. You'll know root 3 as an exact trig value, and you'll be able to check divisibility by 3 at a glance. Quick identity check. 3 is odd. 3 is prime. 3 is a triangular number, i.e. a number that counts objects in an equilateral triangle. The sequence runs 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, and so on. And 3 is the smallest odd prime. 2 is smaller, but 2 is even. 3 is the first of the proper odd primes, the category that includes 5, 7, 11, 13, and so on. Multiples of 3 and the times table: 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. The 3 times table is one of the easier ones, but it's worth memorizing past 30 into 33, 36, 39, and so on. The divisibility test for 3 is beautifully clean. Add up the digits of any number, and if that sum divides by 3, the original number does too. Try it on 273. 2 plus 7 plus 3 is 12. Done. Powers of 3. 3 to the 0 is 1. 3 to the 1 is 3. 3 squared, 9. Cubed, 27. To the 4th, 81. 5th, 243. They grow fast. Memorize the first 4, 9, 27, 81, because they appear constantly in surd cancellation and indices. 81 in particular has the trick of being both 3 to the 4th and 9 squared, which gives you flexible cancellation options. The digit sum test. This is the rule that 3 is famous for. Take any number at all, and add up its digits. If that digit sum divides by 3, then so does the original number. Take 273. 2 plus 7 plus 3 is 12. 12 divides by 3, so 273 divides by 3. And indeed, 273 equals 3 times 91. That single trick saves you long division on factor questions. Key relationships and how 3 connects to the syllabus. 3 squared is 9. 3 cubed is 27. 3 to the 4th is 81. Root 3 is about 1.732, a classic surd. Sine of 60, cosine of 30, and tangent of 60 are all built from root 3. These are exact trig values you mustn't memorize. And the 3, 4, 5 right triangle, the smallest Pythagorean triple, has a 3 right at the front. Where 3 actually appears in your exam, exact trig values. Sine 60 equals cosine 30 equals root 3 over 2, and tangent 60 equals root 3. The divisibility test by digit sum. Cube roots. Cube root of 27 is 3. The smallest triangle has 3 sides, and the sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees, which is 3 times 60. Where 3 hides in other numbers, 9 is 3 squared, 27 is 3 cubed, 81, 243, 729, all powers of 3. 6, 12, 15, 21, 33, all multiples of 3. Easy to spot once you've done the digit sum test. If you ever face a fraction with a large numerator and you're unsure whether it cancels, run the digit sum test for 3, because it often saves vital minutes. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE Higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks, one for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.